Our goal is to give everyone a 5-star experience, and it's great to know that our efforts are so appreciated. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. Great experiences like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of satisfaction possible. Making everyone happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're happy to help you anytime.